Hey, good morning everybody. My cameraman is holding the camera steady for me here while I film today's Autoversity. And if you like these tips, subscribe, share, like, or comment. And right now I'm just driving with a friend of mine to go rent some exotic cars for the day and go for lunch on Niagara Falls. It's going to be a really great day, so pictures to follow. And just thinking here about how most days are. I want to talk about delayed gratification and how really most days are supposed to suck. So here's a thought. There seems to be a real push the last little while on how we can't hurt anybody's feelings, and everybody's got to get an A+, and everybody makes the team, and equality of outcome, and no pain, no suffering, no fear, and everything else. And the reality is that's going to really lead to a significant price to be paid for anybody that I think lives by that doctrine. And here's what I mean. Life by nature is supposed to be hard. We come into this deal however that happens, and for the moment we jump in, the actual outcome of it is going to suck. We're all going to die. Let's start with that one. And somewhere between birth and death, there's going to be a lot of ups and downs, a lot of challenges, a lot of traumas. And the only way to really do better with those things and try to have an overall better outcome for yourself at the end of the day, or end of your life, or end of your decade, is to go through pain and suffering with purpose. And this means work and effort and working out. The act of working out actually breaks down muscles. You're going to be sore the next day. The act of reading takes a little bit of time, effort, and focus, and is going to take you away from whatever you'd like to be doing, which is maybe sitting on the beach or having your toenails painted. The act of making contacts and training hard and building your skills is really not as fun as having a Big Mac and sitting on your ass all day long on a rock and just hoping that good things happen for each other. The act of having discipline in your life and your nutrition and your eating habits and sleeping habits really is not as fun as getting high and eating like crap all day long and doing things that way. And I challenge you right now to think about anything in your life, including raising a family, building up a financial future, anything else that really doesn't suck in the moment, but we know we're doing it for long-term outcomes. So I wish you much pain and suffering in the here and now, so you can have days like today where you're just gonna fart around, drive exotic cars, and have a lunch. And if I wasn't doing the things that I really, maybe along the way, decided to do in the face of adversity or pain or whatever else, I wouldn't have some days like this, or a decent car to ride in, or whatever else. So delayed gratification, inequality of outcome is the way the world works. And if a farmer looks at their field, I'm looking at lots right here on the side of the road, and decides, I don't really feel like turning the dirt or picking weeds, you gotta know that late summer and fall is gonna fucking suck, because the stuff is not gonna be in line for you to reap the fruit. So let's invert this whole idea that life is supposed to be wonderful and a bowl of cherries, and everybody gets the exact same prize at the end of the day. I'd like you to find anything in nature that works that way, and my friends, we are still part of nature. So let's not disassociate ourselves from that. Have a great Sunday and a great day. Create a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.